Yo people, what's good? It's your boy. Welcome back to the channel. Obviously here with my boy Ems. What you doing? Jeez. Quick Bible verse. So Romans 8:18. For I consider that the sufferings of this present time are not worthy to be compared with the glory which shall be revealed in us.
Amen.
In us. Come on. Amen. So anyway, yeah, welcome back to the channel. I don't know how this thing's looking though. So today, me and Ems and our boy Ray, shout out to Ray, don't know, man, like, we're going Manchester. Why? Because we're going to Man United. Because Ems over here is the plug, you know what I'm saying? Is the plug. Gonna get a little tour, stadium, trophy room. There's gonna be food involved, so you know we get fed, and you know man likes food, so why not? I'm looking forward to it. As you can see, I'm smiling, I'm gassed. You know what I'm trying to say? And you know, yeah. So yeah. Wait, fam. You see this guy here? Graduate, you know. Price gone up, been up. So all you got them, you know, that be DMing me about Ems. If you got that P, if you got that what, then holla at your boy. Shout out to his friend as well that got in the graduation tickets. Big on you. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for all the love that I've been getting on my previous videos. It means a lot to me. Yeah, I think that's it really. Let's get into the vlog. Boom. So you joined us like about 30 minutes later. We're still not even on the motorway yet. There was hella diversions, hella traffic. So, and the thing starts at 1, isn't it? Yeah, the thing starts at 1. And they're very adamant about, yo, 1, they're starting. You don't want to hear nothing, you know, and you can't get in. So, hopefully, we'll get there and they're nice, isn't it? So, yeah, man. So, people, we have some good news. Our boy Ray, who's already there, he was able to get them to rebook it. So, we're good. Now we can relax because, you know, previously was a bit frustrated. But now we can relax some and just cruise, enjoy the ride and rare tear. We're back in business, is it? Yo people, what's good? We've arrived. I'm not sure if you can see me right now. Oh, let me hop out the car. I'm not sure if you can see me right now. We're in the car park. The light is not the best. It's about a 23-minute walk or so because there's a marathon going on. We wasn't able to park closer to the stadium or whatnot. Guys, sorry if I sound a bit clogged up, man. My nose is blocked. You know, I had a bit of a cold, but I'm good, I'm blessed. So that's just a little, you know, disclaimer. But anyway, yeah, so we're here now. My team's not too. Gonna go there, burn some time, and yeah, man, go from there. Cool. So we're on 10 toes right now, you know, with Ems. Hey, pre the swag though, like, man said olive, man said red, man said olive. The man finished off with the white. This right here is what we call drippy. Only thing man's missing is a little chain. It's fine because we're only going to small tour. We ain't doing nothing too major. I'm just coming, little jacket, little, you know, whatever. He came out ready to impress. I don't know who he's trying to impress. Man, like, what are you telling my broski?
You can't stop the actions that I speak. People think they know me, but damn, they don't. They try, but they can't.
Hey, what? Hey, oh no, oh no. About to start the tour, man, them ready? Ready, fam? Sheesh, wavy season, come on, we're out here.
VVS as well, bro.
Now look at your things though.
Allow my thing in there. But my thing's been flashing in it. So.
These men are trying to bet that I'm gonna bang my head, but
He's definitely gonna bang his head. He's definitely gonna bang his head.
yo people, so we're in the stadium now, as you can see. Just show you some. Oh, sorry. No, it's trying to be the thing.
He's really trying to remember my day still.
In the stadium now, as you can see. Obviously, we was up there a minute ago. Now we're here. That's the goals there. Yo people them, so now we're about to go into the locker room, you know, like where they get changed and so yeah man, cool. Alright, so now people about to go into the tunnel. You know, this is like when they line up and stuff and wait before they go onto the pitch. So this is the tunnel. Obviously the pitch is down there. This is actually sick, people. Like, obviously, you know, a stadium's big, isn't it? But this is like big, like biggest stadium in the Premier League. Obviously, come on, light work. But nah, literally, like, it's just huge, and it's obviously on TV. It doesn't come out like obviously this size, isn't it? But nah, man, it's crazy. It's actually crazy. It's sick. Let me give you some views quick. I don't know if it's coming out on camera how big this place is, but it's actually huge. Nah man, this is actually sick, you know. I can't lie. Obviously you got the little thing there to stimulate, you know, summer temperatures and whatnot for the grass. Come on. Man knows the thing. I'll cheer, fam. Goes in. Man like M's blending in. Man said incognito. This feels comfy, like I'm snogging this, fam. What? That's why I get why some men don't even play. They just sit here and get paid $250 still.
You can pay me $250, yeah?
Just to sit here in these seats.
Flex.
Sip on Lucas head.
Bro, please.
Fam. Nah, what, with this view as well? Look at this view, fam. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, go on, man, them. Go on. Yo people, so right now we're in the press conference room. This is where they do like signings and stuff. They don't use this one no more because it's a lot smaller. But from, I think they're using this one until like 2002 or whatever. Don't know if you can hear me, but it looks sick. I'm not really supposed to be recording in here, so I'm trying to be, you know. But it looks sick, fam. So that's the end of the tour now. Come to the end, man. That was actually so sick. Right now we're in like the store where you can buy kits and footballs and whatever. But that was so sick. That was so sick. I need to do that again, man. But yeah, man, that was just a sick experience, man, for real. But yeah. Yo people, so yeah man, that was it. That was an experience, man, though. What you saying?
Really though.
You enjoyed it.
Been a vibe still.
It was sick, man. It was sick. It was actually sick. I think it's one of those things, yeah, that you gotta do more than once, because it's the first time trying to take pictures, trying to take videos, so you gotta do like more than once to really, you like taking all the information. Obviously, you hear like stats here and there, and
Telling these man, I should be playing.
Yeah,
you know, so we playing.
I was going to play in it, but when I was my knee and Over knee.
You too.
It's tight.
Mash up. My uncle.
Even to this day,
Swear.
there's no allegedly about it. I should be playing.
Don't know about my whip.
Ooh, man said the curler.
There's no football right now.
I'll show you in it.
Nah, but it was definitely sick, man. Definitely a great experience. Shout out to Ems for the plug. Know what I'm saying? Uncle Ems and things. Don't know. Us, man, I'm mad hungry, so about to go find a food spot. So I'm gonna end the video here. So you know the usual. Obviously, follow them man them on socials.
Come on.
And make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and your boy is gone.
Peace.